Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your keyboard is not working during your logon on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just scroll down the lock screen to get to your user account. And then you want to select the Ease of Access Center button, so the little accessibility button. So go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select on-screen keyboard. So now at this point you can go ahead and actually click inside of the password field if you have to enter in a password, and you can use this virtual on-screen keyboard in order to enter in your keys. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And once you click sign in, that should hopefully be able to get you to your login state. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.